Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to talk about adding free media from Wix. However, here are a few things from Wix we must keep in mind. The free Wix media files found in your media manager and on your template are royalty-free images that Wix has provided for your convenience. You can use any of these images on your Wix site without breaking any international copyright laws. Free Wix media files are only available for digital use within Wix only. For more information, please see Wix's terms of use. And lastly, be careful with media found in external or non Wix URLs or links. When the media file is not owned by Wix, you need to contact the author for permission to use it on your site. And with that out of the way, let's get started. On the top left, click on the Wix dropdown and go to Media Manager. Your Media Manager window will open, and here, go to Media from Wix on the left. Whatever images you're looking for, type it here on the search bar. Relevant results will pop up. Simply select the image that you'd like to use. See, for example, this one. So once you select something, click on it and click on Add to Page. It'll then be added to your page, so go ahead and position it properly or however you like to. You can also resize it by clicking on it and by adjusting these corner buttons just like that so you can make it smaller or bigger. So there you have it. That's how you add an image from Wix's media library onto your site. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.